Hiya everyone, I hope you're keeping well. I'm going to start doing a couple of World Cup makeup inspired looks for you. I'm going to start with Brazil because I have a huge following in Brazil. Hola! And Nathalia, who is from Vaseline, she is Brazilian and she's lovely. So let's do it. Also, look, this was a long time ago. I did some World Cup looks on YouTube. Started obviously with England and it was made front page of the Gazette, which is us here. And also inside they did a big spread. There's the Brazil one there. I think that was Argentina, and we did England. I actually got invited to watch I got invited to go to Brazil because of this. Amazing. But at the time it was with someone that wasn't into football. Martin would have bitten the hands off. I'm using the Skin Studio Triple Moisture Spray Mist. Absolutely gorgeous this. Then I'm using the Skin Studio Prep and Prime. Love this stuff. Really cheers my skin up, moisturises it before my makeup goes on. And I really like the coolness of it as well. Yeah, I love me primers. I'll have a little bit more just to be on the safe side because I've got very dry cheeks at the minute. I'm using Chroma Cover Luminous in W4. This is my shade. There's a shade picker on the website as well to help you find your natural shade. It goes on really well and you get a really good coverage. I like the fact it just glides on. It's just like a buttery melt into the skin. This is your Be Perfect Ultimate Shade Stick. It's double-ended, matte finish, 2 colours. This one's Lush. Or you've got Kiko number 7 for a more shimmery finish. This one is the L'Oreal Shade Stick. Now, I love this, but I don't know what colour it is. I cannot see. Just look at the shimmer, though. Beautiful. This is me deciding which one to go with. And this one. Yep. We are going to go shimmery all over the eyelid, right up to the brow bone. This palette is absolutely lush. It's the Stacey Marie Be Perfect Interstellar Carnival. This colour is Reptile, I think, or Reptilian. It's gorgeous. You can use my code, it's BP Lauren Luke, for up to 20% off on the website. The palette might be sold out, but there's loads more Lush ones on there too. In Meteor now. This one's a really nice matte green, great pigment, and it's really easy to blend into your shimmers. Also, I've noticed it's one of them great colours, but if you're doing a cut crease. And look what I found. I had to use this Yellow Scream by MAC, really old classic. Thought, why not? So I'm going to pat this on with a flat eyeshadow brush just to use as a base. And then I'm going to go back into the palette with this one here. It's called Walk. And it's a lush matte yellow eyeshadow. Nice and vibrant and sticks great on top of that primer. Next up, I'm using Traveller underneath on the lower lash line. Oh, and a bit more primer. That's that Kiko stick. So just get that on there. And I'm going to go in with something I haven't used in a long time. You'll see in a minute if I can find it. But I need to find my brain first. Oh, hang on. No, I can't find my brain. Still looking. Oh, hang on. Have I found it? Found this MAC Fascinating Eye Kohl. Now, I really love this one. It's from years and years ago. Be Perfect do one called Milk as well, which is really good, but I can't find it. Found this though. Maybelline Tattoo Liner. A fantastic black liquid liner pen. Lasts all day, can smudge now and again, but if you put it on and make sure you let it dry first, set it as well, you're good to go. Maybelline Sky High Blue Mascara. It's got to be done. It's a Brazil look. Really like this one. Coats the lash as well. I love the brush. It's bendy. It's plastic. You can get right in there. I think I'm going to do the bottoms as well. I don't usually do the bottoms, but hey ho, it's an inspired fun look. Back into the palette for a bit of Mercury as a highlighting colour. Just get that on there. Then some Polar Vortex Ice Queen Bronzer by Be Perfect. Love this stuff. Have you seen the shimmer out of that? Be Perfect Bronzer in Tan. Lush. Remember years ago when the pug used to snore in the background of my videos? Well, that was Lola just there. MAC Glitter Chartreuse. Remember this? There's some Duo. I'm going to stick it on the back of my hand and get cracking. So I'm going to dip me little eyeliner brush into this pot of gorgeousness. And I'm going to try and make a star-shaped something on the cheek. Then we've got the NYX or NYX Thick It Stick It Brow. Look at it. I like this. It's got fibres and it's a beautiful colour. Now for some stickers. I love these. I got them off Amazon ages ago. Different size, little gems. Then I'm using the Be Perfect lip gloss from the Lip Library collection. This is Obsession and I'm obsessed. Well, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If I had done it the whole way through, it would have took forever. So I hope you don't mind the way I've done it. Something totally different. I don't usually. I'm going to try and edit little bits and pieces. I'm going to finish off with this just to set it. Imagine you've done it during the day. You want to keep it nice and fresh for the evening, for the match. I'm using Anna Olivia Finishing Touch. A really nice setting spray. Smells amazing and that should keep you going for the whole day. I really hope you've enjoyed this. Please let us know if you would like more. I'm absolutely up for doing a bit more creative looks with you. And I want to make it wearable as well. It's not something nobody can do. It's so easy to just get some colour out and mess about and make it to your liking. I hope you've enjoyed. Stay tuned. Zoom, zoom.